Find and Show Homes, Session 8 out of Ignite. Ignite has one single objective: to propel agents into immediate productivity. Agents work in their business rather than on their business. To achieve this goal, Ignite is an action-focused, skill-based, and outcome-oriented course giving participants the opportunity to spend time in class doing the business-building activities that can have a real impact on their bottom line. And in this webinar and others in the Ignite Tech Module series, we will show you how to do it. Out of Ignite Session 8, Page 1, this is the moment you and your buyers have been waiting for. They can't wait to find their dream home and to get a deal on it. You can't wait to find them their dream home and get them a deal on it, and make it all happen as quickly and effectively as possible. Use KW Technologies' many time-saving techniques to cut down on the hours you and your clients will spend on the home search process. Use KW Technologies' many time-saving techniques to cut down on the hours you and your clients will spend on the home search process. The more quickly and efficiently you can move your buyers through the home finding process, the more contracts you will close. Here's what is on today's agenda. The first thing you want to do when working with a new buyer is make sure they download your KW Realty Real Estate Search app. This app will provide buyers with the ability to search all area homes at their convenience. If they're driving around, they can find the closest home for sale that are physically in their reach. This splash page that you've seen here is what someone will see if they're accessing your KW Realty Real Estate Search app from a PC. They will not have the ability to download to a PC. This is just an informational page on how they can download the app to their mobile device. If someone accesses your app download link, they text it to themselves, or they send themselves the link, this is the page that they will be directed to. Once they click on View, they will be taken to this page where they can install your branded app. Let's take a closer look at the app through the consumer's eyes. Using the Keller Williams Realty Real Estate Search app, property searches are based on the user's current location. So for example, when you're hosting an open house, you can show the visitors the home that you're in, right there on the app. Or, let's say you obtain a listing. You want for your clients to download your search app since the app will display the closest property on the opening screen. The closest property will be their property. This demonstrates that you are truly a mobile agent and you use the latest and greatest technology. Using the Keller Williams Realty Real Estate Search app, you can search by full address, including city, state, or zip code. You also have voice entry that's enabled in all Android systems, so you can simply speak the area that you're looking for. And the app will always remember your past searches. So once you start typing, the type ahead feature will capture any searches that you have previously completed. The property search app by default will pull up a list of 25 of the closest properties for sale on the map. Consumers can also set their own preferences. And with the search app, consumers can draw shapes in the area that they're interested in looking. The properties will come out from the center up, and the user can pan the map of more than 10% so that they can do a research. Zoom in will automatically readjust. The search app also allows users to create their own account so they can manage their account directly from the app. They can change their default searches. They can opt in and out of any alerts that they've currently set up, and they can change their default searches. The Keller Williams Realty Real Estate Search app is the only mobile app where your leads go to you. Leads from all MLS listings are delivered directly to your eEdge My Leads database. That's the KW My App My Leads philosophy. Your buyers can use your Keller Williams Real Estate Search app to find their dream home, and they can use your KW Technology websites as well. At KW, you get 2 top-of-the-line websites, both with solid IDX systems that tie the local MLS listings with your property searches. Your website should be a one-stop shop for all of your buyers' needs. You don't want for your buyers to register on another agent's website. Each of the websites allows visitors to search for all listings within the MLS and then create their own unique account where they can create and save their own custom searches. You can also provide your current buyer contacts who are entered into My Contacts a list of homes that you as a real estate professional would recommend. eEdge will help you quickly locate listings and add those listings to your contacts record, as well as email those listings all at the same time. To start this process, start on mykw.kw.com, hover over My Contacts, click on View Contacts, then choose a contact. Now that we have the contact record up, we can click on Send Listings. That will take us to a map of all of the listings that are available through our MLS. This will show all active listings in our MLS. We can now choose an area. Once we've found the area, we can then put in our criteria, then do our search. Now that our criteria has built, we have these plus signs. Now we can choose the listings that we want to send to our client. You'll notice as we're clicking on the plus signs, those listings are building up here. We can now send those selected listings to our new client. Any leads that are captured on either of your KW Technology websites, your IDX solutions, any of your saved searches, and your mobile app, those are all delivered to your eEdge dashboard, so you have quick access to those new leads and their most recent activity. Within eEdge, you can get a quick view of what homes a buyer has saved, as well as the area and the average price range. Here's a list of resources that you can use to find answers to all technology that KW provides. On any page of the eEdge system, if you click on Help and drop down to Help on this page, you'll find help on any specific page that you're on. When you visit answers.kw.com, you can get answers to just about any question that's asked regarding KW Technology. And you can always find presentations just like this on mykw.kw.com, hovering over the education page, then clicking on KW Connect. Here are your action steps for today's presentation. Thank you all for being here for New Agent Mondays. Ignite your productivity. Make it a great day at Keller Williams.